next to her, Mr. Hemish.
Kabuni ya kuheana motungata ma insurance ya Jubilee riu ni yanirire gucenjeria mwerekera wa motungata mayo ikirira guthondeka mubango wa guthaitira onjorithia ria nini gibiacara na makundi ma andu akuru.
Introducing a medical product for the SMEs. We are calling it Jinwe. Just lift yourself up. We are also introducing a medical product for the seniors, for those between the ages of 60 to 80 who are currently excluded.
If we bring the level and the cost of insurance down, and then say, instead of paying yearly or 6 monthly, we will now allow you to pay monthly on your telephone.
Nayo kabuni ya Safaricom ni ruguritie mutambo wa VOLTE uria itanya rieguo ni gutigira uhuri wa thimu ni wagacira rungu rwa mubango wa 4G na njira ya kunyihia manegene thimu-ini.
This basically means that people will have a richer experience when they are, talking to each other, both on voice calls. It means that their voice calls will be 3 times more clear, but they'll also be able to make very seamless video calls within the Safaricom network. Sometimes we're in places where it's very noisy, and you're trying to communicate with someone, but there's a lot of ambient background noise. The VOLTE technology basically provide what I call high definition video calling, which means you'll have very clear voice calls even if you're in a place where there's a lot of noise.
Kugina kuwa kabuni ya waki wa nyumba ya Shelter Africa hamwe na kabuni ya Everest ni inyitanire thiini wa utafania waki wa nyumba itemini ria kunyihia na kuhukia thina wa wikaro uria ukoretwo kuo bururi-ini.
The greatest pleasure that we have is that people have faith in this project. We have people walking in every other day. The problem that we are facing in the industry right now is availability of credit. And my own assessment is that the biggest problem we have in terms of availability of credit is not necessarily the interest rate cap. Of course, it has exacerbated the problem. But the biggest problem we have is the government crowding out private sector out of the credit market.